And now to a story you'll see right here on News 5 only here. New health concerns among families that use food stamps.
A government report showed those homes are spending millions of dollars every year on junk food. News 5's Derick Waller live at Dave's Supermarket tonight on Payne Avenue. Okay, Derick, we know the problem, so what's the solution?
Well, it depends on who you ask, and this is very controversial. You know, some lawmakers even say, why don't you tell families that use food stamps, also known as SNAP, they can't buy junk food?
So if the government came in and said, we're going to tell you how you can spend that money, what would you say?
I would tell them that they did wrong.
Leroy Weekly says limited funds often mean swapping out fresh meat and produce for cheaper processed foods.
It's not that you don't want to eat healthy. Sometimes you can't eat healthy.
Now there's proof food stamp families are eating more unhealthy foods from a year-long study from the USDA tracking spending at a major grocery chain. That study found that many of us are filling up our baskets with unhealthy sweetened soft drinks. But among food stamp households, the problem is even worse. Soft drinks were the top choice in food stamp homes, but the results were only slightly better for everyone else.
Their consumption patterns are very similar to the rest of the U.S. population.
And social sciences researcher Rob Fisher at Case Western tells me efforts to limit what people can and cannot buy would be hard to enforce.
It sounds easy enough. I think the thing we need to remember is the burden falls on the stores.
Still, lawmakers in several states have tried, but it's an idea that has no support from Beverly Owens.
A family should be able to buy whatever they want. What we need to do is educate people on buying healthier products.
And Fisher says lawmakers really need to encourage farmers markets and full-service grocery stores like Dave's to move into underserved, poor neighborhoods. Live in Cleveland, Derick Waller, News 5.